In this video, we will introduce you to the settings and basic operations needed when using DJI RS3 Pro for the first time. Open the DJI RS3 Pro carrying case and take out the battery grip. For your first use, use the included USB-C cable to connect the USB-C port on the battery grip to charge and activate the battery. After activation, take out the extended grip tripod, mount it to the battery grip, and unfold the tripod. Insert the battery grip into the gimbal. When you hear a clip sound, toggle the lever clockwise to lock the battery grip. To reach the battery grip, toggle the lever to the unlock position. Then, press and hold the detach button to detach the battery grip. DJI RS3 Pro comes with a briefcase handle that can be mounted to the NATO port on the left side of the gimbal. Additionally, there are dual-layered quick-release plates, a multi-camera control cable for connecting the camera, a screw kit, and a USB-C charging cable. The DJI RS3 Pro combo additionally includes a Ronin image transmitter, as well as a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, 20 centimeters, a mini HDMI to mini HDMI cable, 20 centimeters, and a mini HDMI to micro HDMI cable, 20 centimeters, for compatibility with different camera ports. There is also a phone holder that can be mounted to the side NATO port, a focus motor, 2022, a focus motor rod mount kit combo, a focus gear strip, and a lower quick release plate, extended. Before activating DJI RS3 Pro, download and install the DJI Ronin app. Press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Select gimbal language. DJI RS3 Pro provides 5 trial uses. After the trial, activation is required to continue using. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Launch the Ronin app and register or log in with your DJI account. Tap Connect. Select DJI RS3 Pro. Enter the default password, 12345678. And follow the on-screen instructions to activate DJI RS3 Pro. After activation, press and hold the power button to turn off the gimbal or press the power button twice to enter sleep mode. Mount the upper quick release plate to the camera. Toggle the lever on the camera mounting plate to the unlock position. Insert the lower quick release plate and toggle the lever to the locked position. Toggle the lever on the lower quick release plate to the unlocked position. Insert the camera together with the upper plate and toggle the lever to the lock position after it is engaged. To ensure stable footage and obtain the best performance from DJI RS3 Pro, proper balancing is essential before use. Improper balance may reduce stability and battery runtime. Severe unbalance can lead to heated motors that will force the gimbal to enter sleep mode for protection. Follow the subsequent order of balancing: balancing the vertical tilt, balancing depth for the tilt axis, balancing the roll axis, and balancing the pan axis. Unlock the tilt axis lock. Rotate the tilt axis so that the camera lens is pointing upward. Check to make sure the camera is not top or bottom heavy. Loosen the mounting plate knob to adjust the center of gravity. Tighten the mounting plate knob while holding the camera upward so the gimbal does not bear the weight of the camera. The vertical tilt is balanced when the camera is steady while pointing upward. Rotate the tilt axis so the camera is pointing forward. Check to make sure the camera is not front or back heavy. Toggle the lever on the mounting plate to the unlock position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the lever to the locked position. The tilt axis is balanced when the camera is steady while tilted up or down by 45 degrees. Lock the tilt axis. Unlock the roll axis. Check the direction in which the roll motor swings. Toggle the roll axis lever to the unlock position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the lever on the roll arm to the locked position. The roll axis is balanced when the camera is steady at any angle. Lock the roll axis. Unlock the pan axis lock. While holding the grip, tilt the gimbal forward and rotate the pan axis arm until parallel with you to check the center of gravity. Toggle the pan axis arm lever to the unlock position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the pan axis arm lever to the locked position. The pan axis is balanced when the camera is steady when rotating the pan while tilting the grip. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to power on DJI RS3 Pro. Press and hold the M button and the trigger simultaneously to begin auto-tune. press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Launch the Ronin app, tap Connect, and select your DJI RS3 Pro on the device list. Whenever there is a new firmware version available for update, you will see a prompt on the top of the main interface. Tap Update Now to start firmware update. Do not turn off the gimbal or exit the app until the update is completed. When the Ronin app prompts Update Complete, the firmware is updated.